Hello community, this is just a really quick video, for me anyway, just to show you how to share a video from your YouTube channel onto the Live Your Best Life Blueprint page, okay? Now as long as your video is public or unlisted, you can share it. If it's a private video, you can't share it. It won't work, right? So the first thing you need to do is you need to find the video that you want to share. All right, so let me scroll through here and let me find a video. Any video will probably do for the moment. Alrighty, so let's just say I wanted to share this video here. I would click on this video and I would first need to make sure that it's public or unlisted. If it's private, I can't share it, okay? So I'm going to scroll down once that loads. Right, here we go. I'm going to pause that there. Right, so I can see some information here. Now I can go into edit video if it says private or something like that here. Now to share it, all I need to do is to click on this share here. If the video is private or unlisted, it will tell me so here. It'll say, you know, be careful, this video is private, you can't share it, or something like that. And then it will say, or if it's unlisted, it'll say, you know, this video is unlisted, you know, just be careful who you share it with, that sort of thing, right? Now, if I want to share it in a group, I just copy this URL here. So I just click copy. Then I come over to the group. And, you know, I might say something in here, you know, for the moment I'm going to put, you know, put, right, and then I'm just going to put that there, put that there, and I'm going to put that there like that, right? And then underneath that, I can just click on here and I can just actually paste the URL and then just wait, right? And if the video is unlisted or public, preferably public, it will show up here, okay? And that's, you know, that's how you share a video to a post in Live Your Best Life Blueprint area, and then you would click post, okay? So that's how you do it. I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know if you have any more questions. Bye for now.